Well, hey everybody, and welcome back to Your Next Cast. Thank you so much for checking out another episode. Today it is early morning. I am back out in Lake of the Woods doing some fishing. It is almost 6:30. We're gonna start right at 6:30, fish till about 9:30, so about 3 hours worth of fishing. We're gonna start out with a Kitech. It's a silver flash minnow. I don't fish this often, but it did well for me in hunting runs, so I wanted to see what it would do out here. Today's gonna kind of be an experiment day. I don't know how long I'm gonna get to fish because, well, I'm thinking I'm gonna go till 9:30, but it's also overcast and potentially might rain. I heard some rumblings a little bit ago, which was not a good sign. So hopefully we'll get some fish. I just heard a fish pop up right over there, so I need to hurry up, put this Kitech on. I'm also doing some experimenting with a Rapala ripstop as well as a spinnerbait. So I'm gonna spend some time throwing those. But we at least got to put a fish or two in the boat first. And there's some activity over this way, so I'm hoping we're gonna drift right into it. I was really just kind of cruising around from the ramp looking for some active fish, just to see, if we throw this spinner bait, I want to be around some fish to see if it'll actually work, kind of get my confidence up. I'm not super confident in the spinner bait, so you don't see me throw it as much. I don't think I've landed a fish on camera on the spinner bait this year. I have caught a couple on the spinner bait, but I don't think I got them on film when I did. But anyway, that's what we're doing today. That's what today is going to be about. So today is really more like a practice day, more than anything else. And I know you're probably thinking, Titus, isn't every day a practice day? But it's not. Some days I actually come out with the intent of, catching them, trying to get a big one, trying to find that bass, of a lifetime. Whereas today, if that happens, I'd be super happy, but I'm more so concerned with, all right, we're going over there. There's a lot of activity happening over there. I'm more so concerned with seeing if these techniques actually work and getting more comfortable with them. So we're gonna try to get around some fish. The good thing is there's a lot of birds flying around, and I'm seeing some good activity on the top of the water. Now, to be honest with you, I typically don't get the opportunity to fish this area that I'm fishing because I'm right in the middle of the main lake, and typically there's going to be a ton of boat traffic flowing through here. So even in this spot that I'm in right now, I might only get to fish it for 30 minutes or so because there's going to be jet skis and water skiers and everything else out here. So we want to hurry up and get this in and move on before that happens. But we should get 2 or 3 in here. Like, I know you can't see them, but there's some jumping right behind you. There's some jumping right over here that are breaking the surface. I think they're small, but at least we should get a few in the boat to get us started. So here we go. Thank you for coming along. I appreciate you stopping by. If this is your first time to the channel, please leave a comment below. Let me know you stopped by. I would love to connect with you. If you enjoy the content, throw that thumbs up. That's always encouraging to me. And if you're not already subscribed, you definitely want to ring that bell that's right beside the subscribe button. It just lets you get notified every single time that I upload content, which right now is every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 9 p.m. So if fishing is your thing, I think this is where you want to be. Now, hopefully I can show you why. Here we go. Looked like a little one popped up right here. Seeing some little pop-ups here and there. Yep, got him. There we go. The jumper too. Come on, buddy. The bass. Little bass. Yay, our first fish of the day. So coming out here in the middle pays off. Let's get him back in the water. Look, y'all see that? It's like wherever I go, they show up in another spot. So I just got to be patient. And I got to be able to make a long cast. So I need something to get me a long cast all the way over there. Let's hope this will do it. Got some more up there. Yep, got him. So he wasn't big, but we hauled him in from a distance. Look at that belt. Ooh, look at that belly though. He's definitely. Stop. Please stop. Thank you. Let's work together, buddy. Definitely eating good. Look at that belly on him. He's definitely getting some food in him this morning. So that seems to be what's happening. So we're just gonna have to be patient. Oh, wow. I'm hoping that's not the same one. Goodness. And this rod is acting up right now, so we're gonna throw a crankbait at him. Hopefully we'll crank through there and they'll also bite. Yep, got him. Lost him. Dang it. That's so frustrating. That's so frustrating. Man, that's so frustrating. We've had a habit of losing fish this year. Like, well, at least over the last several weeks anyway. I just need to be patient because it's like every time I cast, then I see them popping up in a different spot. I just need to wait till I see them pop up and then cast. Oh yeah, this feels like a better one. Feels like a better one, guys. A little bit better one, a little bit better one, a little bit better one. Nope. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Everybody get the net on this guy, just in case. I don't think he's too big, but we don't want to risk it. Let's get him nice and easy. Let's not put too much stress on him. Definitely our biggest one of the day. These guys are so warm. I mean, super warm. How about that? There we go. Nice Cossack fish. Boom. Boom. All right, we're just gonna get this guy right back in the water. Well, so far so good. It is paying off. So glad we came out here into the middle. See, this is also another, this is for sure gonna be a talking video because I'm doing a lot more talking than catching. But there's also two different there's a lot of different strategies to fishing, but you can choose the, hey, I'm gonna sit and wait on them strategy, which is what I'm doing right now, which is I'm just gonna sit and wait for them to come to me and wait for them to show up and then cast at them. Or you can have a more active, aggressive approach, which is what I normally do, which is I'm gonna go look for them. You know, I'm gonna just keep moving. Ooh, yeah, that's bass. I'm gonna just keep moving. I'm gonna just keep making casts until I find them. And you know, different people have different things that they're comfortable with, just depending on the day. I don't often get to fish this middle, so I'm willing to be patient to some degree anyway. Typically, people that have more patience can do the, hey, I'm gonna sit in this spot and I'm gonna wait because they're gonna show up. I'm more of a let's go get them, let's go hunt them down. Yeah, that ought to be one. That ought to be one right there. Come on. Come on, my lure's right there. If they don't take this, they don't want the contact anymore. There he is. Got him. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on, man. Look at that. Rip my contact straight up, though. Second one I've lost today. That should have been 2 more bass in the boat. 2 more bass in the boat. So what I'm gonna do real quick, it's also a key lesson. Make sure you retie frequently. I'm gonna retie and I'm gonna try something different. I'm gonna switch up to the single tail grub, throw that a little bit, and then we'll be right back. Looks like something right there. Oh yeah, it looks like something right there. Come on. Come on, tell me somebody's home. Somebody's gotta be there. Got him. Yep. Somebody's there. It's a little guy. Patiently waited for him. Patiently waited for him. Calm down, buddy. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I know you want to get back. I know you do. I know you do. I know you do. I want you to get back as well. We want the same thing. Here we go. Be great if we could find some bigger ones, though. Well, guys, we've been throwing everything at this point. Going back to the single tail grub. Tried a lot of different lures. There's one. Well, back to the single tail grub worked. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Stay on. Stay on. Pulled out the Mega Bass Dark Sleeper because I thought maybe we needed to get deeper. Try to find some bigger ones, but that didn't work. Threw the Rapala ripstop for a little bit. That didn't work. Back to green pumpkin. Got us a little feeding bass. Sun's looking like it's about to pop out too, so I think we're gonna head on over to the other side and start hitting up some docks maybe. See what that's like. Maybe get out a worm and see what we can do. But I don't want to give on this just yet. I think I'm gonna go halfway through this second hour, because I feel like we're gonna get them. You know, even though it's big gaps in between, I feel like it's gonna happen. It's just hard, you know, with those big gaps in between to just sit and sit and sit and sit and wait. You know what? I'm gonna throw the Mega Bass out there. Mega Bass Dark Sleeper does it. Yeah. Come on, buddy. Oh, come on. No. No. Just so mad. Just so mad about that. That's what we're throwing. Third one today. Third fish today. We did get in the boat. It's just sad. It's really sad. Gotta get redemption, guys. Got him. Come on. Yeah. Gotta redeem ourselves with mega bass. Come on. Whoops, sorry. Don't you do it. Don't you do it. No, you. It's my fault. It's my fault. Trying to make it look awesome on camera instead of just reeling the fish straight in. It's my fault. Instead of just reeling the fish in, that's a fish. Oh, we missed him. Yeah, that must be another one, or the same one came back. And they're so active. Bit my tail off. There's another one right here. I'm gonna just throw, even with a half tail on it. See if they bite it. Got him. Yep. Oh, you're not gonna. Sorry, guys. Gotta come around you. Ugh. Got some pull to him, though. I'll tell you that much. Oh, it's a bit bigger bass. Not huge, but worth getting a net for sure. Just to make sure we don't lose him. A little bit bigger than what we've been catching. Definitely also feeding up. Nice, warm, healthy bass. Let's get him back in the water. So I need to put on a new grub real quick. We're halfway through the second hour of fishing. Also need to change my GoPro battery. It's been good. So I'm gonna just take a second to sit down, retie, grab me a quick snack, and put a fresh one on, and then we're gonna get right back to it. That looked like a good sign. Got him. See, didn't play around that time. Didn't play around that time. Went ahead and reeled him in. Didn't try to talk to you. Just pulled him in. Weird looking fish. He's got some hump issues going on, but at least we got him. That's what I should have been doing the whole time. Cranking him in, Just going straight forward and not trying to be fancy. But that happens sometimes when you're making YouTube videos, you know, unfortunately. So let this be a lesson on what not to do. Well, I think there's one. Hope we can get one more out of here. Yep, got him. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Get in here. Whew. Well, not too mad about that. Mega Bass got us 2. Lost 2 on it, and we hooked them on the outside of the jaw. Oh, maybe that's why some of those other ones didn't stick, and why if I played with them just a little bit, they would come off, because literally we had them hooked on the outside right here. But anyway, I think that's going to be the last one from in the middle. There's about 4 boats that have gone past us now, and I'm content with what we have. We're still not through the 2nd hour yet, and I don't know how many fish we've caught, but I know it's been a lot. So now we're just going to try to go up against the shore and see what we can do there. Don't get me wrong, if I come across another patch of them busting up as I get over there, then I'll definitely fish it. But we're gonna go get up on the bank some. Yep, there's 2 more boats coming out now. We're gonna get up on the bank some and just see what that does. Come on, you can't. Well, guys, I don't think we're gonna stay all the way. That's a fish. That's a fish. Please be a fish. Please don't be grass. Please be a fish. Yes, it is. Feels like a decent sized one too. Oh yeah, you're a bass. Come on, buddy. Get in here. Woo! All right. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down, calm down. All right, that's how we're going to end our show today. All right, got it out. Doesn't seem to be too hurt, I don't think. Let's get some water on him real quick. Yeah, he's feisty. He's plenty feisty. Well, calm down, buddy, calm down. We're gonna have you out of here in just a second. Just a second. All right, well, this is gonna be our last bass of the day for sure. It is currently 8:28, so we didn't quite fish 3 hours, fished 2.5. They've all been around this size today, so not blowing the doors off, but let's go ahead and get an underwater release for them since this is the last one. We thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hopefully something was said that might help you on your next cast. We're gonna get this fish back in the water. If you're not already subscribed, remember to hit that subscribe button below. We're almost at 4,000, so you definitely wanna make sure you do that. We're gonna have some great giveaways coming soon. Let's get this guy back in the water. Hope you have a good day and a good night. We'll see you next time.